Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Jordan Hamilton. I am the commercial sales manager for the U.S. market for our commercial applications here at KEUSA. Our first slide here is just going to give you a little bit of background about our company, and then we are going to go through some of our most popular products, a lot of our most famous applications, and then at the end, there will be an opportunity for anybody to ask any questions, as well as either email those to me directly or reach out to our marketing team with the information that you'll find on our very last slide here. So to get started, just a little bit of background on who we are. KE Commercial Awnings has about 350 years of accumulated engineering expertise. Our registered patents are about 36, with 710 large commercial projects installed annually. With that said, it is throughout not just the United States, but we have 9 facilities globally and 3 manufacturing facilities in the United States. As you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of other fun facts about our company that you are more than welcome to read up on our website, which again, that contact information will be located on the very last screen and open for questions as we get to that point of the presentation. So this presentation is focused mainly on our architects and general contractors and why KE is the best choice for architects and general contractors. So we work directly side by side with architects and general contractors pretty much to meet all the commercial construction needs that not just general contractors and architects may have, but anybody. We do custom design. We can create renderings, shop drawings for any project sizes, large and small. And we have all the tools that you need to complete your project with ease. With what we do, we don't just provide you with a product that is manufactured. We have the capabilities at KE Commercial to deliver, install, and or you can just choose to purchase the product only. We like to think of ourselves as your one-stop awning shop. So we like, here's just a couple ideas for you guys to kind of run by as far as what our different applications may look like. We cater to the needs of urban, rural, casual, or elegant. Our Genius pergolas are really a rewarding investment for all of your customers. And we're going to go throughout the rest of this presentation a lot of different options that you will have, from a retractable roof or a motorized louver system, which one of the great perks of that is you'll have digital automation with your smartphone app and a lot of other capabilities with these particular commercial systems that we have. For a lot of architects who are looking to specify our product, a big part of the market right now, especially with COVID and a lot of things that are going on, is that we're seeing a large request and need for outdoor seating. With these particular applications and products, it gives you the ability to increase your seating capacity, as well as meet those social distancing needs. You can turn your rainy day and nights into profit with the hours of integrated lighting, as well as expand event offerings to create new markets such as weddings and parties. We have a bunch of different finishes that we offer: charcoal, white, and we'll also have all that information available to you guys in our product brochures and on our website as well. So just to touch a little bit off of the commercial market, we also offer residential applications. So we really cater to all the different needs that you guys may need. We have a lot of different products. This is one of our most famous products here, which is our Isola 3. It is available in 2 installation modes. So you can do on the wall or self-supporting. The structure can be integrated. If we could just go back one slide there. Can be integrated with shading or completely transparent sides with technical curtains or with sliding glazing systems. You can put a dimmable integrated lighting system, and it can also be integrated with climate sensors that allow the perfect automation and ideal tent management for any application. This is another beautiful application of our Isola 3. One of the great things about the Isola 3 is not only is the integrated screens, but you have the opportunity to allow 30% more sun during all periods of the day. The Isola 3 is an all modular application. So as opposed to just it is freestanding as opposed to just being able to be mounted onto the wall. So this gives you the capabilities for this, as well as our KE Dry Prime, to either have a louver or pergola or mix and match both. So this is our Genius Vega. This is another commercial application that is great for any type of hotel, restaurant, or outdoor seating. It's energy saving in the winter and reduces thermal dispersion and allows better control of internal temperatures in the summer. These particular structures intervene to optimize the impact of the sun's rays and contribute to reducing the overheating of rooms, limiting the use of air conditioners. Again, as well as with our other products that we offer, this has a smartphone application, which allows the perfect management, even remotely defining the time and mode of opening and closing the pergolas. This is it's a good application for you guys to view from above. This is an installation at the Hotel Riviera. Here you can see on the left just our renderings of the actual application to give you an idea of how many units are there, as well as the dimensions of it. But as you can see from the top, they retract completely back, as well as this application has sliding glass enclosures on the side. Again, this is just another application of our Isola 3. With this picture, if we can actually go back one of the features of the last slide that we just saw is this is actually our louver and pergola system, which is mix and match, which gives you the ability to have the louver system as well as the retractable awning, as you could see as it goes down the right-hand side here past the pool. This is just a beautiful application of our glass enclosures. With any of our commercial products, we have multiple options for you to enclose your patio, and those can be from drop screens to actual glass enclosures that either slide or open. It just depends on exactly what you are looking for. And one of the benefits of working with KE is we have the capabilities to really cater exactly to the needs of our clients and the architects to customize our products to exactly what you are looking for with each and every single product that we offer. Here is just another example of one of our Genius products. This one has an auto portable roof, and as you can see here, it has a little bit of the both freestanding as well as it's mounted off, as you can see over to the left here on the top of this structure, which kind of gives it that open, airy feel. So again, this is just it's an image for customization so that you can really become creative with all of our products and mounting them, as well as being able to customize them to exactly whatever your client's needs may be. This is our KE Dry Prime. This was a beautiful application done, which was in Lido Beach restaurant. This here has the application of our glass enclosures as well. Our KE Dry Prime it's a newer product. It's a little bit different than our Plus, where again, the water management is a little bit better, and it has the integrated screens on it as well. There is one remote that you can use for your louver system, which is kind of hard to see in this application, but we'll see other pictures of that as well. But that one remote, you can use it for the louvers as well as the screen. And this one also allows about 30% more sun during all periods of the day versus our KE Dry Plus. Again, this is just a different view of the exact same picture we were looking at, but here we have a little bit more visibility of the louver system looking into the actual KE Dry Prime. This was a standard rust brown color with sliding glass line enclosures and the indoor LED lighting. Now, a neat application with our indoor LED lighting is, as you could see within this particular picture, it is not only on the outsides of each of our systems, as there are a few systems here, you can actually take and integrate that lighting onto the levers of each one of the KE dry primes. And here's actually a perfect example of the lighting that is on the actual louvers as well as on the exterior of it. So as we see on the top two slides, we actually have that LED lighting, which is integrated right into the louvers of the KE dry prime. And then on the bottom picture here, we are looking at the exact same thing with the lighting being on the exterior as well as the interior of the actual system, as well as on the louvers. So that's really just expanding that lighting capabilities. And again, this product we are looking to come out with in about 2021. It's called our KE Dry Pack. And it will give you the capabilities of the louvers rotating as well as being able to retract. And here's just another application of our KE Dry. This is just a standard application that we have. And again, we have multiple dimensions, being able to really cater to our architects and general contractors' needs as far as customizing this exactly how you're looking for. And here's just an application of again, an under the roof solution. This was actually at a residence. So it really shows you the capabilities and the diversity that this product has, where we can utilize this particular system, not only freestanding, but we also can attach it to any type of building, as well as commercial and residential applications. Here's an example of our sales. I just wanted to incorporate this in here so everyone can see these are very up and coming product, especially for anything that is on the water. A lot of beachfront hotels seem to really love this application. And this was just one of the larger ones that we've done. That is just a gorgeous application here. And we are seeing a big increase in requests for these for a lot of the beachfront and hotel properties. And again, this is the Royale Riviera. This is going to have your integrated lighting, as I was speaking about, where you can lever and or put it on the outside. This does have your glass application around, as well as your retractable awning, where you could see that it retracts fully back. And this is just going to be your rooftop view. I believe that we actually touched upon the picture on the left earlier. And then just to give you guys an idea of what inside looks like as well, you have a little bit of a mix of both the Isola 2 here as well as our KE Dry Prime. So you are able to mix and match those applications, integrate the lighting, and this gives you kind of the feel of the exterior from looking above, as well as what it would look like as if we were actually sitting underneath it as a client. And again, here is just another great picture for you guys to understand the lighting applications here, as well as the smooth retractable on the interior of the actual application with the glass enclosure on the sides. This is Villa Versace. This was a very popular application that we had. This is going to be one of our Isola products. Again, this also has the capabilities, as all of our Genius products, to integrate. As you can see, they have fans, there's lighting. The capabilities are endless. We really are trying to cater to the architect's needs and desires, and we have the capabilities to make those customizations. This was one of the most popular ones that we have in Miami. And as you can see here, there are a few units that are retracting back, which is, again, our Isola product. So I incorporated this slide just so that all architects and GCs can understand that we not only offer, as a lot of these slides seem like they're in our tropical climates, we also offer applications for all different types of seasons. So this is just one to show you that we do have the capabilities for all types of weather, especially snow, to be able to enclose these patios and then do the customization as may need be. This one actually has a louver system and then a retractable awning off of it with a glass enclosure with, as you can see, there's heating elements and interior lighting in this particular application. And here's just an idea of the interior heating as well as the lighting, which is on the exterior. Great for all seasons. Again, you can make it a 4-season application may need be, and we can customize these exactly to the needs of any client that you may have. And just touching back on this on the sales, here's a great application where the previous screens that we had looked at, they were fully, the sales were completely open. This is just an idea of when you were closing in or opening those screens of what that application would look like. If you are looking for a little bit more sun, then you can completely retract these sales and you have a full patio of sun, or you can either, put the sails out and then you have the shading that you're looking for. And what was neat with this application is that you have multiple sails here. So if you have certain customers that are looking for shading, you can shade certain areas while leaving the other ones open. So each one of these sails have their own opening and closing capabilities to really meet the needs of every single client and customer that comes in the restaurant. And there is your closed application, just to get an idea of open versus closed, of how much shade these sails actually can offer, especially when you're on the water or in a sunny area. And again, just a closed application there. Here is just a KE dry. This is just an application. It's very standard. You have a few units, about 4, I believe, going down this particular application, and it doesn't appear that there's any screens here. So if you wanted a basic model, this is going to be a perfect example of our basic model of our KE dry louver system. And that will wrap up our presentation. I do want to leave any questions and answers open on the table, as well as make sure that everyone has our contact information to be able to forward you any information on any of these particular products, as well as, again, answer any questions or concerns you may have, as well as forward you any marketing material that you may be looking for. keusa.marketing@keusa.us is the best address for any materials that you may be looking for in regards to this particular presentation. And the number that you see here will guide you directly to one of our sales associates to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for joining us today. And again, any questions, I'll leave the table open at this time.